Zanzibar Zoo by Pam Schiller. In the Zanzibar Zoo of zany delights, the animals party on Saturday nights. A gaggle of geese in gossamer gowns gracefully waltz across dew-covered grounds. Musters of peacocks struck silence through, past troops of glad monkeys and proud kangaroos. Elephant herds with their elephant trunks fly like a flash from their family of skunks. Crashes of rhinos with knobby knees sway as they sing with the wild swarm of bees. The lions lazily lounge in their prides, with the leopards in heaps asleep at their sides. Oh, what a sight! What a staggering sight are the animal antics on a Saturday night!